If you're a home renovation enthusiast who appreciates precise cuts at practically any angle, then check this out. RYOBI has a fully portable, battery-powered miter saw you can set up anywhere. It's the RYOBI 18V HP Brushless 254mm Sliding Mitre Saw. Big name, big on features. It uses the same batteries that power more than 120 tools in the ONE+ range. It makes crosscuts to a depth of 50mm in material up to 304mm wide, and bevel cuts to 45mm deep on 225mm material. Being the lightest miter saw in its class means that it's easier to move around. This LED increases the visibility of the cut line in most lighting conditions. And the translucent lower guard helps you see the blade safely through the entire cut. So if near enough's not good enough, get a RYOBI 18V HP Brushless 254mm Sliding Mitre Saw.
RYOBI, a cut above.